This is the video for the 2022 Kia Niro EV S. The EPA range on this is 239 miles. Alright, first thing I'll show you guys is under the hood. Next up, we got the trunk. There's our charging cable. Under this, you got some extra room. All right. Okay. Moving on to the rear seats. Now moving on to the front seats. There's your wireless phone charger. All right, that is our 2022 Kia Niro EV S.